Streamlined Workspace Management. We've introduced the ability to archive products. This update is all about giving you the power to tidy up your workspace by archiving products you're no longer actively supporting. Why you'll love this: declutter your workspace. Keep your dashboard neat and focused only on what matters most. Archiving lets you remove the noise and concentrate on your current projects. Enhanced productivity. A more organized workspace means less time searching and more time doing. Find and manage your active products effortlessly, boosting your productivity. Improved navigation. With non-essential items out of the way, navigating your product list becomes a breeze. Enjoy a cleaner interface that lets you focus on your success. Embrace the cleanup. This feature was built with your efficiency in mind. Archiving not only helps in maintaining a clutter-free workspace, but also ensures a smoother, more enjoyable management experience. Get ready to enhance your organizational game and make room for endless possibilities.